5 benefits of having plants in your home. Dear friends, plants are much more than just beautiful decorative additions to your home. Having indoor plants in your home is a great way to bring a touch of nature inside. They also offer a range of benefits that can help your physical and mental well-being. Plants are air purifying and can help improve your mood by reducing stress. Bringing plants to your home can make a big difference, all while adding some natural beauty. The following will explore some of the key benefits of having plants in your home. 1. Plants help improve air quality. Having indoor plants has become more popular throughout the years. If you haven't already, it's time to swap your artificial plants for some potted plants. Indoor plants improve the air quality of your home, which is essential for a healthy life because plants absorb carbon dioxide and release oxygen. 2. Plants can help reduce stress. Studies have found that spending your time outdoors can provide comfort and help reduce stress. Bringing some plants inside your home is a great way of adding a touch of nature to your home. Starting your own indoor gardening can feel a bit intimidating. However, the benefits that come with having indoor plants can even help keep you calm. Studies suggest that participating in indoor gardening can help reduce signs of stress. 3. Plants can help increase productivity. Having plants inside your work or office has been found to help increase productivity. Plants can bring calmness to an area, which can allow you to focus on the tasks at hand. This is why it's important to bring some greenery inside your office space. Plants bring a sense of calmness that can even help your creativity and sharpen your attention. 4. Plants can even help improve sleep. Some plants have a calming and relaxing effect that can even help you sleep better. It's a great idea to add some plants into your bedroom to help purify the air, along with some calming and relaxing properties. 5. Help with depression or anxiety. Caring for and planting houseplants can help ease stress and anxiety. The constant care of household plants can help provide a sense of purpose. It's also a positive and easy hobby that both adults and children can take on. It's important to note that not all plants are the same. Some household plants have the potential to pose a hazard to children and pets. It's best to conduct your own research before you commit to caring for a new plant. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.